God, pauwi na po ako ng trabaho. I'm going home. And it's, we're having a heavy thunderstorm here. And it's already like 10:28 p.m. And I just pray, and then, you know, like, I just here it is. I'm going home. We're having this strong thunderstorm, and I just, you know, I just said to myself that, you know, I have to be tough going home, driving home, because or else I cannot go home by myself. I'm driving by myself. I need to be tough. Gosh, it's so scary. I'm here right now at the mall, but they're already closed, okay? The mall is already closed. It's already 10:28 p.m. here. Okay, I'm driving home. They said there's tornado on the north side of Texas, like the Prosper, Salina, those places. I'm not sure about the McKinney. There you go. See, it's hard to drive because the water goes to my on my window. It's hard to see. I'm driving like 30 miles an hour. Oh, so scary. And guess what? I need to put gas too. I forgot. I got lazy today. I said when I take my first break I was gonna put gas, but I got lazy. Tapos ito na yung guys, it's like some area they have a very bad rain, heavy rain, pero some area are like medium rain, not real heavy like this one. This is the surrounding. It's raining here in Frisco, Texas. This is Frisco, Texas. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, wait. It's hard to see. Wait. I'm gonna make a turn here now. When I make a turn, a right turn, it's gonna be like a long straight. I'm gonna drive just straight, but it's very long. Going home. You know what, guys? I went to the mall going home kasi on the mall when you go home at night, they have lights. So hindi siya madilim going home. Kaya gustong-gusto ko dumaan ng mall kasi marami siyang lights outside. And then I already called my husband. I think, yeah, he's awake. He's waiting for me. It's thunderstorm here in Texas. Okay, yan. Umuulan naman. Nako, lumalakas na naman ang ulan. I hate that. Guys, lumalakas na naman ang ulan. Tapos may kidlat pa, my God. Oh, look at the highway. They drive very, very slow too at the highway. Uh-oh, may pulis. Let me turn off my cell phone ha, because may pulis eh. Okay. Wala akong makita. Ang lakas. I already turned on my my light. Yung fog light. Oh my God. And also inside my car, I already turned on that thing. Lakas, wala akong makita, kakatakot. Ito na, green light na naman. But ito na. Ano ba naman yan? Oh, tinanggal ko na yung fog light ko kasi baka magalit yung kotse sa harapan ko. I think wala ako sa linya, guys. Hold on, okay? Let me go. Here. Ayan, nandyan na ako sa right lane. Okay, humina na naman yung ulan. Gosh, humina siya. Then, lalakas na naman. Sana wag na lumakas kasi I'm almost home. I told you, it's just straight, right? Tingnan mo naman yung freeway. Walang tao. Walang tao sa freeway. Yeah, there is, pero mabagal sila mag-drive. Oh my God, kakatakot. Wala na namang ulan ha. Sana wala na siyang ulan. Sana wag na umulan so I can go home safely. Ay! Oh my God, umaulan na naman. Ayan na naman siya kung kailan pa ako malapit na sa bahay. Kasi meron daw siyang tornado in some area. I just going north. Ay. Ayan, malapit na ako sa bahay. Sana naman, wag na umuulan pa. My God. Ito lang ako dito sa left lane. Okay. Medyo okay na. Sana nga wag na. May mga sasakyan din ako masyadong takot. Here's 7-Eleven. Next time I need to show you what's inside our 7-Eleven here in Texas. Mas masarap ang 7-Eleven dyan, guys, because we don't have fried chicken here. We only have pizza. Okay, I'll show you around Texas. Saan ba ako? Ay. Okay, I'm here na. Another turn na naman. Wow, hindi. Nawala na yung ulan. I love this. Pag wala ng ulan. I'm gonna call my husband na sabihin ko wala ng ulan. Sabihin ko na malapit na ako sa bahay. See, we're here. Another mall here. Maliliit lang. Mostly, these are like food. Lahat kainan yan. Okay, so I called my husband. I told him, I'm almost home, go back to sleep. I'm okay, I can go home now. It stops raining. Pero I can see the clouds na cloudy siya up to tomorrow yan. Kaya yun, kasi when I was working kanina, sabi ng mga pasyente, oh, you know, there's tornado. Really? Saan? Tapos, you know, malapit-lapit lang sa area namin. Pero it's not as bad like 2 weeks ago. So, this is, it has a thunderstorm pa. Mas malakas yung ulan kasi yung tornado, hindi ko alam kung nasan na. Buti naman. Eto na. Thank you guys. Ito, okay na ako. Makakauwi na. Tapos yung gas ko, hindi pa masyadong puno. Nakalimutan ko magpagas kahapon. Ay la, ayan. Isang linya na lang kaya. Ala. Ito na ang surroundings. Sa gabi. Hindi nyo makita, no? Because it's rainy. Ayan na. Wala. Yan lang naman.
The next day.
Okay. Mali. Hello. Good morning sa lahat. This is after the thunderstorm last night. Remember, I went home na nakakatakot. Ang dilim-dilim, ang ulap-ulap. Tapos may kulog at tikidlat. Tapos ngayon ang Texas, ang ganda-ganda na. See? Ang ganda na, very sunny with light blue clouds. Ang ganda niya na. Yep, this is my backyard. Tapos yung mga grass na yan, magiging green na siya kasi umulan kagabi. Pero grabe naman ang thunderstorm. But I got home safely. Pagkatapos, tinext ko rin mga co-worker ko. Sabi nila, they got home safe din daw. Nag-text kami sa isa't isa. So ngayon, here I am. Thank you guys for watching. And then, ang maganda lang sa ulan, it makes the house, the plants greener. Magiging green siya. So, after the rain, ito pala epekto. Pero wag naman ganon, sobra naman thunderstorm. Sana yun lang. You know what, guys? Dito sa Texas, in the last 2.5 months, maraming nangyari. Nagkaroon ng snowstorm, tornado, tapos itong thunderstorm. So, I don't know. Sana yun lang. Sana ulan na lang. Wag na yung thunderstorm. Thank you very much for watching. I got home safe and my co-workers. Thank you. Ayan. I'm showing you where is the sun. Oh well. Bahala na. Ayan ang araw. Ang ganda, no?